Please, I have subscribed and liked.
Thank you, dear ones. And you know, hand embroidered takes such a long time. Shows so much of tenacity. बहुत बहुत परिश्रम है इसमें. Look at this. This thread is also over here. That's the charm of showing you the saris. Look at this, especially this kind of bordering. These are all needlework, dear friends.
Is it handmade?
Yes, this is handmade. Fully, the achal has been so beautifully presented. अपनी कोई अच्छी लग जाती है. Look how beautiful it is. Give you the effect. And here's the blouse piece with the sari.
সম্রাট মন্ডল, আচ্ছা আপনাদের
ও সাদা ব্লাউজটা বাবা, আমার যা অবস্থা.
সম্রাট মন্ডল, আচ্ছা আপনাদের অফলাইন স্টোর আছে?
আছে.
গিয়ে নেওয়া যাবে?
548 Lake Road.
অঞ্জলি পাটিল